What's up, doll gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have my spring hygiene routine. Yes, welcome to my bathroom. So this spring I'm all about the tan skin, bright white teeth, so I decided to order the White with Style teeth whitening set. Now I've had this before, loved it, forgot about it, and had to get it again. So I ordered mine in the strawberry flavor, and you guys can get this set for 90% off if you use my code Kayla Lashae. So this will only be 28 bucks. Not bad. So it comes with everything that you need to whiten your teeth at home, and you can actually whiten your teeth, guys, up to 7 shades. So this is kind of like a scale of what you can expect to get from your starting point. It also comes with these trays which have instructions on how to mold them to your teeth. You get these vitamin E swabs to remove any excess gel from your gums, and of course you get the syringe of the whitening gel, and along with that, in the kit you also get the light that activates the gel to whiten our teeth. So this whole process is about 30 minutes, which is no time at all to get a brighter, whiter smile, especially for spring and summer, guys. It's gonna look so great with a nice sun-kissed tan. And this is so easy to use. You also want to make sure that you only use a little bit of gel, guys. A little bit goes a very long way, so I do a very small amount in each little crevice of like my mold where my teeth go. And you don't want to add too much because you don't want this to touch your gums. If you do get some on your gums, use that little cotton swab to remove it. But I'm going to pop in my light and dance the time away. And then I'm going to have a beautiful, brighter, whiter smile. So again, check out the coupon code in the link down below to get your kit for 90% off, and big thanks to White with Style for collaborating with me on today's video. Now, in-shower routine is just as important as our teeth hygiene, okay? We want to look good, we want to smell good, we want to feel good. So I feel like that starts in the shower, and I love a hot, steamy shower. Like, oh my gosh, it sounds so good right now. So let's start with my favorite shower gels. Now these change all of the time, but I'm a huge fan of Soap and Glory. I like to use things that smell good, okay? And this smells so good. And I use a loofah to exfoliate and properly wash my body, okay? Next, I'm gonna move on to my exfoliation. Now I don't do this every time, but I do like to exfoliate my skin when I have a lot of sun. Like if ever I'm hiking outside, I'm sweating, I'm working out, this is great to just exfoliate any extra dead skin. And again, this is also by Soap and Glory. I'll be sure to leave everything that I talk about in this video in the description box. And I'm also going to move on to shaving. Yes, shaving is key, you guys. I only shave my legs because I do get laser hair removal everywhere else. So this one smells super bomb. It's super smooth and it makes shaving a breeze. Plus, it has a really great lather. Now, my secret, don't tell anybody, but I'm telling you guys because I love you. I use men's razors. I feel like they are super sharp. I get a close shave every single time and they're super smooth. This one, I just have cartridges to replace them. Super heavy duty, life-changing, so get on the men razor game. And of course, I like to use something super gentle for my, you know, my lady area, my cookie. This is great, especially during that time of the month. Just helps to keep you fresh and feeling good. Also, when it comes down to shampoos and conditioners, man, I feel like I'm always switching this up, but I do love this Maui Moisture. It's a conditioner. It's almost gone, but it smells amazing, makes my hair feel good. And I'm also a huge fan of Shea Moisture, and I just got this collection in. And again, it's really great. It has honey in it, so I feel like it's super hydrating. But I'm not really too picky about my shampoos or conditioners as long as I have a shampoo, conditioner, and a mask. So after the shower, oh my gosh, this is where the fun comes in. I like to moisturize. We have to keep the skin smooth and soft, and my secret is to use coconut oil. I actually use like a triple filtered one because it doesn't smell like coconut oil. Yes, watch me dance. Get it, girl. I just love coconut oil because it is natural, it's super hydrating, and I feel like my skin absorbs it. I do have eczema, and I do find that this really helps. And if you guys don't know, coconut oil is usually in a solid form when you have it at room temperature. So I just warm it between my hands to melt it into a liquid. And this is my favorite part, I swear, of my whole entire hygiene routine. It also just adds a really nice natural glow to the skin, and it keeps you looking nice all throughout the day. Also, let me point out, guys, of course I have makeup on because today I was working and filming a video. So otherwise I would obviously not have makeup on. but I'm pretty sure that you guys get that idea by now. Now I'm also going to use my deodorant, which I'm a huge fan of spray deodorant. I don't feel like it gets clumpy or balled up underneath the skin, especially for days when I'm going to be working out. This one keeps me fresh for a very long time, and that basically wraps up my whole entire hygiene routine. So give this video a big thumbs up and let me know down below what your favorite products are, and don't forget to check out the down bar for everything mentioned, and I will see you guys in my next video.